You know, every kid on TikTok is dying of a disease called TikTok.
I believe it.
You can donate now to save a kid on TikTok. Every year, over 1,400 teens mouth the words to songs.
Some of them dressed as characters totally unrelated.
We shall
to media.
prevail.
Half of you are screaming. I'm so weirdly addicted to this.
We make people laugh / smile. Get over it.
There's something that's been bothering you.
You're not beneath my boot, and you always will be.
But here's where I have a problem.
Well, I'm gonna uplift people in need. No, boo, thumbs down.
Not even have a finger on it. And that's all you ever do.
Be gone!
Either reconsider me as a fragmentationer, or I message you to Mr. and Mrs. Armistead.
This is the absolute worst way we could be having this
Want to go to the
conversation.
cage with the other animals? Then shut it!
Right, everybody? Funny, right?
Do I make myself clear?
Drop the pizza off and get out of here. Alright, guys. My god.
This is a warning! Clear this area! Stop and don't move a muscle!
Watch this.
Everybody dead!
Hey, look at me! Bye!
It's over for you!
Oh, you still both of you still alive? No!
Get it off me!
Don't fight it, you're an idiot! I broke my iPhone. My iPhone's broken. I have like Apple Care. I can get a new one, right? Is that how that works? Well, that depends. What happened to it? I dropped it downstairs. Oh, wow. That's exactly what we cover. Yeah, I dropped it. I fell down the stairs. You sure you didn't piss on it? No. Of course not. Why would I? That's disgusting. No, I didn't. You trying to give me a piss phone? No.
or theft and destruction of public and private property, aiding the enemy, torture, terrorism, including nuclear, both domestic and abroad.
None of this is real. Don't worry, it's not
and
real.
high treason. It is rare,
It's not real.
even for a man of my job description, to come face to face with true evil. And it pains me that the maximum sentence that I can bestow upon you is something as trivial as death. Death! Nothing but swift,
It
sheer
isn't
death.
working!
No!
I see a hospital! System here!
I don't see hospital.
And give all the back to the people once and for all! All the way! All the way! Like that! more than a minute.
I got. This is the nicest restaurant in the city. Yeah, yes it is. Hey, what do you think about it? I thought that was a tree. Hey! Hey! Hey!
As I expected.
Hey! Hey! Oh my God!
All they wanted to do was keep their own job. The ones we elected to put in term limits in the first place. That's who. This is the very definition of insanity.